What does it say about our organizations when half of the talent pool, the experience, the knowledge, the expertise, the brilliance is not in the room? That's a problem. It means you don't have those women who have the relationship capital, who have the power, who have the influence, who are able to be part of decision making that makes our workplaces more inclusive, more competitive, who are able to bring those ideas that come from experience, both as being women but also as being lawyers.
Law firms are losing too many women. Too many women at the boardroom, too many women in the courtroom, and too few women to be role models for their associates. Business development is a way for these women to take control of their practice, to work the hours they want, to do the work they want to do, and to stay in the profession longer.
I think one of the challenges I faced when it comes to business development is it's really the time factor. So for me, I work really hard. I travel a lot. I'm also a mom. I try to be home for my daughter after work and for dinner time, and fitting in networking, particularly when it's client dinners and happy hours and things like that, it's really tough to fit that into that schedule.
Prior to starting Ellesquire, I would say my business development skills were kind of like hit or miss. I certainly knew it was important, and I certainly was trying a lot of things, but in some ways it was just kind of, throwing darts into the air.
The way in which business development is done and the way pitches are done and the way decisions are made about who goes and who speaks is not always transparent, and it's not always very accessible to women and minorities. But that doesn't mean it's the end of the story. There's still things that we can do to position ourselves to get those opportunities.
Ellesquire is a program designed for the realities of being a working woman attorney. It is a 6-week program that is action-packed, very direct, and gives you a custom business development battle plan that you can execute on your own. And along the way, you have the support of some seasoned legal marketers and some women in your exact situation.
I have always worked at large law firms, and I have attended seminars taught by people who are regarded as some of the best in the nation on business development skills. And not only did Ellesquire certainly match that, I think it exceeded it because it was one-on-one. So it's providing the same level of business development acumen that you get at these kind of national seminars, but it's doing it one-on-one. So you're not doing it in a room full of 200 people, but it's tailoring it exactly to what you need.
I think one of the things that the program really helped me to do was just develop a level of confidence. And so when I look at the personal brand that we developed throughout this program, I look back and I'm like, yes, I do have a decade of experience in this, and I can hone that, and I can communicate that in a way that I kind of knew I always had that, but to see it on paper and to just kind of live into it has been a really fun experience for me.
So since I started Ellesquire just in the past 4 or 5 months, I've brought in, I think, 6 or 7 new matters for 4 different clients. I have 2 or 3 pitches out currently. I'm waiting to get business back on. And I have 4 article pitches out that I think that I'll get either an article or a speaking presentation out of.
If someone asked me why should they sign up for Ellesquire, I would tell them that it's an opportunity to see who you can be as a lawyer and then tell the world that.
It's going to be absolutely worth your time. It's going to connect you to other women attorneys in the area. That's going to make you a better lawyer, a better wife, mother, friend, colleague, and peer.
Make your own sandbox. It works.